Hey, what's happening everyone? It's Jamie G back here again. First of all, I just want to say a massive thanks for joining me here in today's video. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Alrighty, so today's video is a little bit different. So first of all, I'm recording this on my phone in real time. Sorry, I am recording. I'm going to upload it to my channel in a moment. And secondly, obviously I look like rubbish. I've been packing all day and running around doing last minute errands. My wife and I are actually heading overseas tomorrow, and although this trip it's sort of sprung out of the blue in many ways, although we kind of knew about it, I think 2.5 months ago, we decided to go. And we're heading over to Italy for 3 weeks, which will be really cool. I'm looking forward to it now, but the lead up to heading over has been quite stressful, as you can imagine, with different things that have happened in my business and technical issues, and life gets in the way sometimes. So anyway, it's not all glitz and glamour for the entrepreneur, I can tell you. Even though obviously I didn't have to ask a boss to go overseas, I'm heading off on my own accord, which is pretty cool. But obviously that causes certain stresses for your own business as well. So yes, I do get to travel pretty much. I'm not going to say when I want. There's limitations on that, but I do travel quite consistently. But at the same time, I'm now apprehensive because I don't know how often I'm going to have internet access to be able to fulfill my client obligations, to maintain my affiliate things that I've got going on and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, that's aside the point. But look, what I wanted to do is just fill you guys in on my progress on the six-figure funnel project and give a little bit more information as to why I decided to put this together, why I think it can help people that are getting into affiliate marketing, and why I'm setting this whole thing up basically. So anyway, the kind of condensed version of the story is basically a few years ago, and I heard it again recently as well. I was chatting to someone who happens to be a seven-figure affiliate, and basically I was like, look man, tell me, like, what's the go? Like, why, how do people get to seven figures? What's the difference between someone who makes nothing versus someone that makes seven figures? And it's really, really quite simple. He basically said, look, Jamie, as you I mean, of course it's you, you run a Facebook ads agency and you're able to grow it quite well over the last 18 months or so. And, why is that? And I'm like, well, I can help people with their business. Exactly. So you're solving problems, number one. Like, yeah, I'm solving problems. I'm getting leads for clients' businesses. I'm helping to promote their business. Okay, cool. So would you say that that's technically speaking your product? Like, yeah, I mean, it's a service, but yeah, sure, let's call it a product. He goes, exactly. So you've got a product and it's in high demand, so therefore you're able to grow because a lot of people need the service. And is that correct to say? Yeah, see where you're going with this. Okay, cool. Enlighten me. Where else are you going with that? So the difference between someone who makes nothing for affiliate marketing, someone that makes seven figures or six figures or just a comfortable lifestyle or eight figures for that matter, is they usually have their own product. I'm going to say usually because there are exceptions to every rule, of course, but that was the difference between someone who makes seven figures and someone who doesn't, is that they have their own product. So he went on to elaborate a bit further. So Jamie, look, basically the reason why it works having your own product is not actually the money you make through selling your own product. And I know that's really counterintuitive, but what it does is when you're providing value to your audience and there's been an exchange, they have exchanged money, even if it's only a small amount, and you've been able to basically provide value of some kind, they are 10, 15, 20 times more likely to buy another product that you recommend. And that is how affiliate marketing works. That's why these top affiliates are able to get those types of figures, because they produce a product, people buy from them, they provide value. They do make money off selling the product, obviously, but what they're really getting is a list of buyers. And these buyers, because they've provided value to them before, like I say, are so much more likely to buy from that person again. And I was like, well, that's great. Good. Like, okay, now I know. I just need to make a product. Easy, right? No, it's not that easy. But what got me thinking was, all right, if you're brand spanking new to this whole game, then how do you how do you even, first of all, you don't know anything to start with. You don't know who to believe. You don't know who to trust online. And everyone's telling slightly different things, although common themes among a lot of them. And they try and sell you this $1,000 course, $2,000 course, a $6,000 mentoring program, all that sort of stuff, which is fine. You know, good on them. And if it works, then so be it. They're providing value as well. But in reality, if you are brand new, how do you even come up with the concept of your own product? And the problem a lot of people face is, great, I've got this product idea, or you know, even if I did have a product idea, I'm not really an expert, so how can I possibly justify teaching other people how to do it? And I get that completely, right? And so what I decided to do, and I am going somewhere, I'm sorry for rattling on, but I am going somewhere. Basically, this is where the six-figure funnel project started in my brain, because I thought, if I'm brand new again, how am I going to get a concept for a product? How am I going to even learn enough to be able to create that product and provide that value to an audience? And so that's why I started putting it together. I just wanted to show you guys some of the progress. It's not quite finished, and I had hoped to get it up and running, but like I say, I've been packing and running around like a maniac, or headless chicken, as I say. My mum used to tell me from time to time. Anyway, hopefully that all makes sense, and you can see why I'm trying to put this together, because I'm trying to provide something that someone who's completely new to affiliate marketing, they can basically take this as their own product. And like I say, I'm not trying to dismiss the fact that I'm also trying to make affiliate sales through it, but it is my hope, by providing something that's really good quality, a good quality funnel with good quality training and guidance and mentoring, that I can get someone else to basically make money off the exact same thing. So it'd be kind of like self-replicating. That's what I thought. That's the whole principle behind it anyway. So anyway, I'm just going to try and show my screen to you guys. Hopefully you can see that there. You can see my my goofy face. I think you guys can see that, hopefully. You can see my goofy face there, and like I say, I haven't really finished, so I need to do a video there, and I'm not even sure about that text, to be honest, but big chunky orange like a pumpkin. Everyone loves pumpkin, right? Anyway, that's so it's a work in progress, like I say, and it's got obviously my big goofy face right at the top there. But yeah, I'm having a few issues with just the way my image is rendering on mobile in particular, so I'm still working my way through that. But anyway, look, the purpose of this video, like I say, just a bit of an update on the six-figure funnel project. Hopefully will be launched pretty soon, but I am traveling, so you know, don't hold your breath. Plus I've got other stuff to do as well. And then secondly, just so you can get an idea as to why I put the six-figure funnel project together for newbies that just have no idea about any of this stuff, and where to go and what to do and who to believe and all that sort of stuff. I completely get it. I mean, the online world is just mental sometimes. So anyway, I'm going to go and continue my packing, and hopefully finish off this funnel as well in due course. And first of all, lastly, I should say, not first of all, lastly, I just want to say thank you very much for joining me, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching my channel. So thanks very much, and if you did get any value, feel free to smash that like button and subscribe, because I'd love for you guys to join me on this awesome journey. Anyway, my name's Jamie G. I thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.